Startup Bugs PH is co-produced by One CFO, Credit Hero, Y Spaces, Simp, Sekuna, Schooltech Bedfolio, Maroon Studios, and Red Circle Global. Check out our partners in the description.
Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng Startup Podcast PH, Kwentuhan at Philippine Startup Week 2025. Andito pa rin tayo sa Mount Canlaon Room ng Philippine Innovation Center dito sa Marikina at kakwentuhan natin pang 28 na actually na interview this 3 days ang WonderGo. Hello, kamusta?
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello everyone who are listening and watching.
Yeah, live tayo ngayon sa Facebook and
Yeah, so-
sa YouTube lalabas to may video. So,
Just to introduce myself, so I'm Gio, founder of WonderGo by Gio Data Solutions.
okay. Wow, so may parang mother software dev company ba ito?
Yes, sir.
WonderGo is like a product. Ganun.
Yes.
Sige. And actually,
That's the flagship product of Geo
Ah.
Data Solutions. That's what we're trying to do.
ayun no, nung napadaan ako sa booth nyo, color orange. That's ang attractive
Yes.
ni WonderGo. Pero sige, maybe you can tell our audience, ano nga ba ang WonderGo?
Okay, so WonderGo is an AI-powered, hyper-localized one-stop travel platform. Think of it like Lazada or Klook but for travel. So meaning to say, we're in the process of onboarding yung mga small, medium enterprises na local tourism enterprises. So meaning to say, since we believe that in one local government unit, yung mga maliliit na enterprises na yon, they're the one is the lifeblood of our Philippine tourism.
Still filling out loan applications for your business? Yeah, thought so. Save your time. Grow your business. With Credit Hero, one online application gets you loan offers from multiple lenders. Apply for a business loan now. Visit credithero.com.
So para bang if I will travel to a place, madali ko mahahanap dito yung mga
Micro, small, and medium enterprises.
can you give a example?
Okay, sir. So, like for example, you're doing 3 days and 2 nights in Bataan, for example. Since we're starting in Bataan.
Bakit pala Bataan, sorry?
So Bataan because we're incubated by the DICT Step Up Central Luzon. So we're part of that incubation programs as of the moment. And then we just have selected from all of the Central Luzon provinces. And Bataan is yung nangunguna in terms of the economic as well. And buhay na buhay yung tourism as well. They also have that kind of tour guide competition na I believe I
Bataan?
never heard in
Oh.
other local government units.
Oh, wow. So may tourism din pala sa Bataan,
Yes, they have beaches as well. They also have cultural, historical. Yeah.
Oh, malaki ang historical ng Bataan.
Yes.
Alam naman natin, hindi ko nabanggit dito. Pero I went dati sa Bataan sa Orani,
yeah.
tsaka Orion.
Yeah.
Ayan naman. But anyway, sige. So, anong example in Bataan nga ng mga shops or na makikita sa WonderGo?
Okay, sir. So right now we're still in talks with the local government unit as well as with business owners. So as I've mentioned kanina, no. So like for example, this is a one-stop travel platform. So that's our vision. So meaning to say, in the 3 days and 2 nights, you will just have to select from all of the listings, from all of the offerings na meron yung mga local enterprises na yon. So like for example, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-book ng one big hotel. For example, preferred mo transient houses or yung
hostel.
mga hostel, 'di ba? Na parang some sort of that is not available in the giant booking platform. I will
Yes.
not mention it. Pero yun siya. So we're helping yung mga local businesses na yun to go online, to go digital, as well as to provide them the tools needed in order for them to na mapaganda yung businesses nila in terms
Okay.
of operations as well. So they will have dashboards, they will also have makikita nila doon sino yung mga pending mga customers nila as well, and then yung mga nakapagbayad na. So we provide the tools to help that micro, small, and medium enterprises grow.
Alam mo, Gio, this is perfect for me. I'm a backpacker.
Yeah.
And hindi ko nakwento sa iyo. Ang Startup Podcast, nag-iikot ako sa Pilipinas
Okay.
by foot. Hindi ba by foot? Hindi by airplane.
Okay.
By land,
By land.
and sea.
Okay.
nag-Mindanao ako, Mountain Province, then Iloilo. May daan dyan Mindoro, Iloilo. Tapos Cagayan de Oro. By bus yun then by sea, Roro. So I travel. And yung sinabi mo kanina, hirap ako maghanap ng mga certain stuff. Like, kasi ako, matipid ako sa hostel.
Yes.
Tapos, ang isa pang bagay, itinerary person ako eh.
Yeah.
Gusto ko nakaset na yung schedule ko na dito ako mag-stay, dito ako kakain, ganyan. So, possible ba yun sa Wondergo na parang may shop ko na nga din yung mga gusto ko. I can set even the itinerary. Parang set ko lang personally na 2 p.m. check-in ako sa hostel na to. Hostel kasi matipid ako eh. Tapos, lalunch ako dito.
Yeah.
I mean, search ko sa Bataan, for example. Ito yung hostel, ito yung pagkainan, ito yung leisure thing that I will do.
Yeah.
So, parang ganun ba? Ganun?
Yes, sir. So I think that's also the AI-powered functionality of Wondergo. In fact, Wondergo is a product of a nationwide Agentic AI hackathon. We won as the grand winner in the AI trip planner. But right now, we just pivoted na to some sort of onboard yung mga local enterprises. And na para yun eh. Kasi kadalasan, di ba, if you're doing travel, so that's personalized yun eh. So, di ba, na parang you don't want na AI will just do the work for you. So, some sort of, we also want na there's still a human intervention. Ikaw yung mamimili ngayon. What are the really things you really wanted to do? And then AI will come in. So, meaning to say, from all of the selected that you have, AI will some sort of do its work for you to create the itinerary. So meaning to say, it will check the distances. Sino ba yung mga malalapit para hindi ka travel ng travel. Hindi na ma-maximize mo ngayon yung araw mo na nandun ka sa locations na yun. So it will also check, like for example, for weather. Sometimes, di ba, water activities. When we're doing water activities, minsan hindi natin nagagawa because malakas yung alon, malakas yung hangin, umuulan siya. So nasayang yung mga oras na yon. So this one, AI will do the work for you to some sort of, ito, medyo yung forecasted weather on that day, medyo hindi maganda. So maybe i-move natin siya ng day 2, for example, instead na day 1. So that ma-maximize natin yung, yung mga, what we're really trying to do. So we're just starting, ayan.
But this is
we're starting small, but that's how we envision it. And hopefully nga, so siguro dito na, tatawag na ako dito. Ayan, so some sort of, sana na parang mapansin din kami ni Department of Tourism, ayan, ni Tourism Secretary to some sort of have the chance to have the chance na mabigyan din kami ng chance to pitch it. Na maybe na parang Wondergo could be the official travel platform in the Philippines, gawang lokal, gawa ng Filipino, and then for the Filipinos as well.
Ang napakalaking bagay nito, parang imagine a foreigner backpacker. Pagpunta ng Pilipinas, gusto niya, yung mga foreigner backpacker, nag-iikot yan, kunyari, 3 days Coron, Palawan, 3 days Siargao, wherever, 3 days Cebu. Tapos, yun na, parang itong si Wondergo, pwede siya maging assistant. Parang siyang AI assistant na with the human choices pa rin, pero may i-recommend na ito yung mga optimal na gawin para ma-enjoy. Parang okay din naman na inaaral yung previous na mga hobbies ko, so ma-recommend sa akin kung ano yung talagang
yung anong gusto mo on your previous trips as well.
And lagi ko sinabasa sa sa mga Reddit, sa mga ganyan, na kailangan ayusin ang tourism sa Pilipinas kasi Philippines is a very nice place, pero may mga kailangan ayusin with regard to transportations, itinerary making, accommodations even. And I think having this kind of technology, Wondergo, can actually even like boost that.
Yeah, because we also believe kasi na parang the Philippine tourism is not owned by giant booking platforms, but it belongs to our MSMEs, di ba? Yung mga artisans natin, local tour guides, yung mga small homestays, and then even the adventures that is located dun sa mga local communities na. Kaya lang, they need a bridge, na kailangan, paano natin sila ngayon makikita? So maybe Wondergo could be their bridge in order for them to go online.
Tsaka actually, may big may big barrier na yung ang dami pwedeng gawin sa Pilipinas, mga ecotourism, diba?
Pero hindi mo siya makita.
Yes. Tsaka if hindi accessible yung actually. Tsaka parang somehow may divide na isipin mo pa mga lokal lang yan. Pero in fact, pwede naman talaga for travelers, for foreigners. So, pag in this platform, Wondergo, pwede mo makita dun. And since nandun, parang feel mo, pwede naman, may connected, di ba? Parang bridged yung gap na yun. So, wow, I'm looking forward to this. Gusto ko gagamitin ko to, for sure.
In today's digital world, your organization needs more than just technology. It needs a strategic partner. At Simph, we build web and mobile apps that drive innovation for startups, enterprises, and organizations worldwide. Visit simph.co today.
Protect your assets from bugs before bad hackers exploit them. And launch your products seamlessly with Sukuna, your trusted partner in cybersecurity. Receive reports in real time and work with security experts to find bugs in your products before others do. Let's make your security our priority.
Anyway, so about some stories lang So how did WonderGo start? And yung si Geo
Data solution.
Data Solutions, paano siya
Okay.
nag-start? And maybe konting background about you, parang what's the story behind?
Okay, so just to give background, no. So in fact, yung geodata kasi ginawa ko lang siya as my way na parang to launch data science contents. No, so hindi ko naman talaga siya inimagine na it will be turned into like this one. No, kumbaga yun. So I'm making contents about data science before.
So you're a data, you have a data science.
I'm a data scientist. That's my profession. That's my career. And then yun. So I just really wanted na some sort of ma-share ko yung mga knowledge ko when it comes to data science. And yun. So, and then it landed me to several speaking engagements as well sa mga academies and then sa mga universities through that channel. And then yun. So, yung sa WonderGo naman, we just joined a Agentic AI hackathon. And then wala talagang plano namin to turn that one into a startup business.
Which hackathon ito?
This one is hosted by Gen AI Philippines. Gen AI Philippines last June 2025 lang.
Oh, I see.
And so last June 2025 and then doon nabuo si WonderGo. So that's yun yung AI trip planner siya. But before ang ginagawa lang niya is just do parang scraping, kumukuha lang siya ng data online, pero yun. So sometimes kasi hindi pa rin talaga yun yung gusto natin yung nakukuha niya. So kaya parang medyo yun. Then after that, na parang may isa lang doon may isang judge lang from that hackathon na sabi, maybe there's a potential na to to turn that one into a business, no? And then yun, after that we just applied to different incubation programs. Ayan, so nag-apply kami sa DICT and then right now yun sa Scale NCR as well. Yun, so nag-apply kami ng mga different incubation programs. And then parang sinabi lang namin na if makapasok tayo in one incubation programs, maybe let's try natin. Try natin to build a startup. Kasi this is also new to me. So yung mga terms ng startups parang by the time ano ba yung mga equity na yan? Ano ba yung mga traction na yan? So I don't know that, but through that incubation programs, that really helps a lot in order for us to be confident as well. Ano ba yung mga B2B na yan, B2C na yan, di ba? So sometimes if you're just a parang normal person, no, you really don't know how market works, di ba? How business works talaga.
The business side.
Yeah.
Pero so data science background from where pala? From
so I'm right now in sa Merara Mining and Power Corporation.
Work. So may work ka.
May full-time job ako and then this is just panggabi ganun. Parang working full-time from 9 to 6 p.m.
Pero in case take off, do you want to go full-time sa WonderGo or sa...
Baka mawalan ako ng trabaho, sir, pag sinagot.
Sorry. Ang nga naman. Sorry. Nakalive na pala. Cut. Anyway. Yung co-founders mo pala, or parang yung part, yung doon sa team. How did you meet them and,
Okay. So, yung una before, no, yung mga kasama ko before sa hackathon, so I was just invited lang in to judge a ideathon. Yan, sa isang university. So, I will not name it na lang. Pero yon, so, dun siya nabuo. And then, after nung nag-judge ako sa ideathon na yon, nag-mention lang ako na I'm looking for someone to join me in sa hackathon. No? So, since ideathon yan so, maybe if you really wanted to have a hackathon experience, so, tara, let's join. No? And then, yon, so, doon namin nabuo yung mga yon. And then, what we just have decided na nung na-turn yung startup, no? So, yun siya. Sila yung mga kasama ko before. However, yun, so, they already left. Ayan, but I think may reason naman. A really big reason because they're still students. So, meaning to say, medyo, pag nagka-capstone ka, some sort of, medyo priority mo naman talaga is to study, no? So, kaya pinag-aral ka ng parents mo is to study, which I really understand. But right now, I've already onboarded a new part of the team, no? So we're 4 already. So yeah, so we have data and AI, head of data and AI. We also have product and technology, design and marketing, and me as the founder.
So, yung development pala ng app, this is mobile app, di ba? Mobile app sa
We're starting as a web
web app.
application.
So, do you have developing programming, or you have a developer part?
Yes.
Yung
yeah.
mismo?
Yeah. Sometimes kasi kapag ka sa startup, you're wearing many hats. Sometimes ikaw yung developer, sometimes
Wow.
ikaw yung marketing, sometimes ikaw yung mag-pitch, ikaw yung mag-write ng mga documents and all. So I think for those who are parang what I've learned din, no, na parang startup is not for everyone. Parang startup is for someone who is willing to take risk, who is willing to sacrifice other parts and aspects of his life because it's very hard, di ba? Kumbaga, yun yung kwento namin no, na parang we're, like for example, if may meeting kami sa Bataan Local Government Unit, sometimes 2:00 pa lang nasa biyahe na ako papuntang Bataan just to really, just to be on time na sa meeting na yun. So, meaning to say, that's a lot of sacrifices, a lot of things you really need to do.
And speaking about that, punta tayo sa Miss Universe Q&A part ng ating podcast. So, well, I think pero what are the challenges or most challenging part in building a startup or in building WonderGo?
Siguro sir, as for a startup founder, ang pinakamahirap talaga is how do you keep the momentum of the team, most especially you're not earning yet. Diba? Na parang some sort of how could you parang paano mo sila ma-retain?
Okay.
No, kasi 'di ba kadalasan sa atin no, pag wala ka nakikitang results agad-agad, no, it's ang pinakamadaling gawin mo na lang talaga is to quit, 'di ba? So yun na yung pinakamadali. So parang pero if you have the shared vision with the team, na parang minsan sinasabi ko na lang na maybe that's one of the challenges and then it will be my startup story in the future. Diba? If ever this one will be a successful venture or not. Pero sabi ko nga rin, maging successful man siya or hindi ako talo doon because I've learned I've learned how to really navigate this space which is very new to me. And most especially yon. So that I could maybe hindi naman talaga ito yung magiging successful na venture for us. So maybe this is just like a na parang stepping stone lang na medyo pina-prepare lang kita pero makakaisip ka pa rin talaga ng other one na that will be successful. Pero syempre, we really wanted to be successful.
Yeah.
We're exerting a lot of time, tears, sweat in doing all of this.
Yeah. Pero ang ganda ng term na shared vision actually. That's what can keep a group going din actually. What is startup success for you? Wow, yeah.
Siguro startup success for me, if I define it, is it something na you've provided a solution to a pressing issue in the country. No, 'di ba? Like for example, if yun siya na parang you're providing solutions. You're not just doing business, but you're doing partnerships as well. 'Di ba? And then you're doing an impact that could maybe revolutionize that certain aspects of maybe isang ahensya, no? So here sa Philippines or not. Pero kaya joining this Philippine Startup Week, no, na parang makikita mo rin sa mga startup founders na, no, problema pala yun. And then, they provide solution to that, no? So, yun. So, nakakatawa lang na right now, buhay na buhay yung startup ecosystem here in the Philippines and hopefully, no, mas mag-attract siya ngayon ng mga investors that would really help speed up talaga yung mga ventures na to.
Tsaka ang tuwang-tuwa ako sa Philippine Startup Week now, actually, yung mga booths, kayo mga booths. Well, you're from Pasay, but the project is in Bataan. Pero talagang well-represented different provinces.
Yes.
We have here nga now, si Ryan, so Budok, Cebu, no? Pero iba-ibang lugar, Cebu, Leyte, Cagayan de Oro, tawag dito, North Cotabato.
Yes.
So, talagang diverse din, So, and then, nabibuild nga din yung mga connections and partnerships. Last two questions. What is the vision for WonderGo? What do you see for it to really maybe parang disrupt then or really happen in the
so
future?
What we envision with WonderGo is to be the official travel platform of the Department of Tourism. Meaning to say na parang if they're promoting the Philippines, WonderGo is the one to
Wow, galing.
the one is the one to really use. It's either domestic or international.
Pati
arrivals.
international.
Yeah.
Pero ang ganda ng naming Juan. Juan yun by the way. Juan. Juan.
Yeah, so,
WonderGo.
Parang medyo
But
may
very
touch siya ng Philippines.
Filipino.
Yeah, Juan de la Cruz. And
Tsaka,
then go na tayo. Umalis na tayo. Di ba?
Actually, I really want this to happen. Sana, I mean, please.
Yeah.
And please, the DOT. What keeps you motivated? Ayan na.
So what keeps me motivated siguro yung like for example, we just recently pitched kasi kaninang morning no,
Saan?
na pa,
Alin?
with sa taas kaninang morning with the Philippine Startup Week Skill NCR Acceleration Program.
Okay.
Ayan, so we just invited na napila to pitch yan. So and then siguro what keeps me motivated is alam mo yun na we receive good comments. We receive na parang maganda no, na parang even just the brand itself no, na how you brand it no, so it's
Maganda,
very
wonderful,
na ano siya. So that keeps me motivated and most especially na may mga kasama ako no, na parang then we have the shared vision even though na parang we're not earning yet. No, we're still in the process of validation no, with the government as well. No, so parang yon, nandyan sila. No, yun lang naman yung hinahanap ko eh, for someone to be with me on this journey na yung alam mo yung uhaw ka na to make this one into reality because if we have that grit and determination, so I think everything will happen, di ba? So it's just a matter of kailangan you just hold on your faith din siguro dun sa solution na you're trying to solve or sa problem na you're trying to provide a solution to it.
Wow, ganda naman answers mo Pang Miss Universe ka talaga.
Education is evolving, and so are we. Introducing School Tech by Edfolio, your all-in-one school management solution. Built for schools of all sizes, School Tech bridges the gap between school and learning management. Driven by passion, School Tech makes educational technology accessible, affordable, and easy to use for schools everywhere. With an integrated approach, School Tech simplifies management across different departments and enhances efficiency in operations. School Tech transforms the way schools manage, teach, and learn. School Tech, taking school management solutions to the next level.
Running a business? Make it smarter with Red Circle Global. Streamline operations, boost productivity, and manage everything in one powerful ERP system. Book your free business demo today at redcircleglobal.com, guided by one of our top experts.
Ayun, thank you so much, Gio, no, for this kwentuhan. Baka may listeners tayo interested, well, it's in the validation stage, pero maybe baka early adopter or baka may nakikinig na taga-DOT. Wow.
Yeah,
so how can they connect with you?
Siguro guys, kindly i-ano natin sa comments. Tag natin si Department of Tourism. And then even the Tourism Secretary. Ayan, so baka naman po. Ayan, so we're willing to make this one possible, but we really need support and collaboration with this one.
Mm-hmm. And do you have a Facebook page or website ba? Or sige, can you...
Yeah, so right now we have wondergo.com. You could visit wondergo.com to get to know more about it. And most especially if you are some sort of a traveler in mind, no? So you could input your details there so that once we officially launch, no? So you will be the one to the first one to experience Wondergo.
I will.
Then we also have social media pages. We have Facebook. We have Facebook right now. Medyo active ngayon. So we have at Wondergo PH. And then the Geodata at Geodata.
Okay. Iba pa siya. May mga memes ba kayo na pinapost sa Wondergo? Mga memes?
Wala pa, sir. Kaka-create lang din namin ng separate Facebook for that one.
Actually,
because before, sa Geodata namin siya pinopost.
I see. So ngayon na nag-separate.
Yeah, medyo.
Pero actually, ang ganda, ang attractive nung kulay, pati nung branding ninyo na Wondergo. Orange pa, no? Yeah. Orange, ano? Ayun, sige, thank you so much, Gio. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much to our 65 patrons. This episode is super powered by Asklex PH Academy, our official e-learning partner. Get certification on Lean Six Sigma, project management, data science, and more. Architect Space Solutions. Architect provide ground station services, space data analytics, and technology supplies to grow the Philippines' role in the global space ecosystem. Divico Technologies Incorporated. IT solutions specializing in software development, blockchain smart contracts, digital wallets, and cybersecurity. NutriCoach. Personalized nutrition and weight loss programs for you. Argum AI. Make smarter decisions by presenting both sides of an issue as argued by two distinct AI models. Pixel by Implement. Turn content into opportunity, grow deeper connections, and earn more. Only with Pixel. Sign up at pixel.implement.co. School of Profits. Filipino-led community for aspiring freelancers, VAs, agency builders, and online earners, built to help you start, grow, and earn online together. Founders Launchpad, our ecosystem partner, early-stage accelerator providing venture capital funding, operational support, and mentorship. Hire Business Solutions, provider of the most configurable cloud-based payroll system in the Philippines. Agile Data Solutions, the Philippines' fastest-growing market insights tech company with its data gathering platform, HustlePH. Smile Checks, streamline hiring and onboarding with automated background checks. Cloud CFO, cloud accounting service provider for businesses ready to grow. Cloverly, all-in-one digital platform for property developers. Body Beauties, accessible and personalized diabetes self-management application. HKB Digital Services, tech-based business tools including payroll, ticketing, and loyalty rewards. Hyperstocks, digital banking enabler for rural and thrift banks. Wonderbrand, a data science-driven brand strategy and design for emerging markets. This episode is powered by Josie AI, Uplift Code Camp, Board Prep, Kansan Barley, East Point Business Outsourcing Services, Filipina Home-Based Moms, Hex Colony, Jur.ph, Big Giant Games, Pahatid PH, Sugbodok, Agacon Aquafeeds, Juan Alj, Grey Wolf Technologies Philippines, Pareto Consulting, Sirius MD. Support the podcast through the link in the description.